Imagine standing face to face with creatures that roamed the Earth over 65 million years ago. Are you ready to time travel to the age of the dinosaurs and come within inches of these ancient beasts? Well, buckle up, because on Disney's Dinosaur ride at Animal Kingdom, you're about to embark on a high-speed adventure back to the Cretaceous period. This isn't just any thrill ride, it's a race against time. As a paleontologist on a mission, you'll navigate through dense jungles, dodge fierce predators, and try to outrun an incoming asteroid. One question remains. Will you make it out before the dinosaurs do? Hold on tight as you come face to face with some of the most fearsome creatures to ever roam the Earth. From the ferocious Carnotaurus to the gentle giants like the Brachiosaurus, every moment is filled with excitement and wonder. Feel the adrenaline rush as you navigate through dark and treacherous terrain, dodging obstacles and narrowly escaping the clutches of hungry predators. Watch out for close encounters with meteor showers and volcanic eruptions, adding to the suspense and intensity of your journey. As your adventure comes to an end, reflect on the incredible experience you've had and the memories you've made. Dinosaur at Animal Kingdom is not just a ride, it's an unforgettable expedition through time. Ready to experience the thrill of Dinosaur at Animal Kingdom? Plan your visit today and embark on the adventure of a lifetime. Remember, when you visit Dinosaur at Animal Kingdom, you can also enjoy the comfort and luxury of our Hampton Vacation Pool home nearby. Book your stay now and make your Orlando vacation truly unforgettable.